Hello everyone, actually, I'm not Cringy Lemon, that was my other channel, because, oh my god, that hurts my ears, I put my headphone volume way too high up. Anyways, this is Ryan here, we're gonna play some Krunker, because why not, I'm bored, I'm starting a new channel, it's gonna be a nice new channel. I'm gonna put some effort and time into it, just like I'm gonna put some effort and time into other stuff in life, because why not? And yeah, I'm playing Krunker. I love Krunker, man. Best game ever. It's, yeah. Here I go. Jeez, I am not warmed up. Actually, I've been playing in this round for a little bit. I'm still 4th place. Everyone else in this lobby is absolute crap. Like, seriously, I was AFK for like 200 minutes. Like, 2,000 years of me being AFK. I'm still in 4th place. This is so weird. Like, you see, the thing is, I would be absolutely destroying this lobby. I mean, sure, I may be just overrating myself or something, but, like, I swear, I'm a lot better than this, so, yeah. Let's, oh, hey, look, it was this top guy, but, I'm gonna come kill him now, so, yeah, no scope. See, look how easy this game is. Look how easy this game is. See, there we go. See, I'm not that bad. I'm really not that bad. Anyways, I love this game. Since this is my first video, I'm just gonna tell you guys about myself, just like I did in my very first video. Oh god, I'm having like PTSD or something, because that was a really horrible video. I really hated that one. Yeah. So anyways, I'm still gonna keep Cringy Lemon up because, why not? But, anyways, oh, that was a bad snipe. Anyways, my name is Ryan, hence the channel name. Yes, I am an idiot. Like, really, I am so stupid. Look at that shot. Okay. Anyways, I live in Pennsylvania, where the weather is very unpredictable. Like, I mean really unpredictable, man. I've seen TikToks, right? People are just talking about, well, like, making fun of Pennsylvania weather, but it's really it's true, man. The weather is crazy at Pennsylvania. It's freaking crazy. I was defeated, even though I should have won. What else? Okay, let me just give you my exact address. It would be right up on the screen. Haha, you thought? I'm not that much of an idiot. I'm a huge nerd. I absolutely love Star Wars. What else? What else? I don't know. Let me think. What I should talk. Oh, I hit his barrel. Haha. It seems like your cosmetics increase your hitbox. Haha. Yeah, I'm a huge nerd. I play fun games. Krunker's popular. I don't know about Zombs Royale though. I mean, I guess it's popular, but there's not a lot of content creators on that. I don't even know how many Zombs Royale videos I would make. Honestly, I just don't see the joy in just editing. I don't see the joy in editing videos of Zombs Royale. Like the montages are like what, somewhat fun, but other than that, not really. Also, I just like pause for a moment there. I'm like reading the chat for some reason. I should probably just hide it when I'm recording these videos because why not? Anyways, I'm actually popping off over here in 2nd place. Although there's one guy, he's a freaking camper, man. He's just sitting there. Mech test pass normal. What? Alright, well, you know what? It's French. I assume it's French. I'm in semester 3, right? I've probably revealed too much about myself now. Now you guys can come hunt me down, abduct me. I don't really care. But I'm semester 3, right? And yeah, I have French class. So I'm gonna learn what that means. I'm gonna learn what that means, and yeah. Oh my god, there were 2 people there. I didn't know what to do. I've been bumped down to 3rd place. This is really bad. My English. Let's talk about my English. Jeez, I'm terrible when it comes to speaking, man. But I'm trying my best. I mean, I'm not that bad, but like, I feel like I just sort of like slur everything. No, not that. Oh, that was scary. No, not slurry thing, but like whenever I'm doing a SH or something, see, something. I just said something. See, that I have some sort of problem like that. I don't know what that problem is. Would it be considered a lisp? I don't even know what a lisp is. Fuck. Anyways, yeah. Is this channel gonna be for kids? Well, if you look 2 seconds earlier, I literally just dropped an F-bomb. So yeah, it's gonna be for kids. No, I'm just kidding. This channel, in fact, I'm gonna age restrict this. Now, so when you're uploading a YouTube video, right, it's gonna ask like, is this video made for kids? Since I'm too lazy to read over the copy rules and everything, and now that I said that, YouTube's probably gonna like ban this account or something, I don't know. But I'm too lazy to go over those rules. I mean, I probably should, like I said, I should put some more time and dedication into my videos. But no, I'm lazy, okay, so I'm not gonna do that. And so yeah, I'm just gonna tick it not for kids. And easy, and I don't have to go over read any rules or anything. I just get to edit a video and upload it to YouTube. Haha. Also, that Grepwooly guy was banned, and what's something that shows I'm playing on browser? Oh, I got it. Oh no, I'm a browser player. Now I could get client for Linux. Yes, I'm a Linux player. Now Linux isn't that bad. I like Linux. It's better than Windows, but when it comes to gaming, Windows is easily better. Literally every Steam game is Windows. Literally, it's impossible to yeah, it's impossible to play a fun Steam game on Linux. I mean, there's some, but like the top rated thing is War Thunder, and like, I mean, that game seems fun, sure, but it's not exactly the best. Oh my god. See, I'm so bad at this game. Jesus. But yeah. Anyways, like I said, I could get client because they do have a client for Linux. I'm so glad. I think this is a reason. This is one of the many reasons I like Krunker. It's aware of Linux. Like, if there's a game and it's Linux supported, that's at least something I like about it. But like, yeah, many games are for Windows, and that's just sad, you know. I wish Linux could like be a lot better for gaming, but unfortunately it is not. I don't even know how long I've been recording. I don't even know if I am recording. I mean, yeah, I'm recording. Haha, look at that. F11 is not working. What the? Okay, F11 is not working. Let's there we go. Okay, that was fixed. Also, why are so many people getting banned? Seriously. Okay, so I like editing, right? But it's just such a long and slow process whenever you make really long videos. Like this one, I feel like this video is way too long for me to make. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up. Okay, this is my very first video. This is just me playing Krunker and talking, and yeah. And I think my catchphrase. No, what? That's a catchphrase. That's stupid. See, I'm an idiot. I'm stupid, Ryan. Stupid. I hate Ryan. He's so stupid. But just like my outro, right? I should just say this one thing, right? And I was thinking of stay stupid, guys.